Start, if you could subscribe, it would mean a lot to me because I'm a small channel. I have like 30 subscribers. Alright, let's get into the video. Hi all, this is a quick video on how to set your own YouTube Shorts thumbnails. Now this may seem backwards, but the first step is actually to upload the video that you want to your YouTube channel. In this case, I'm uploading a video of myself making breakfast for my girlfriend on Valentine's Day. Now if we take a look, we can see the approximate frame at which YouTube auto-generated the thumbnail. We're going to use that as a reference point for where we should insert our own thumbnail into the video. So right now I'm just going on Pexels to create a thumbnail. You can do this any way you want. I'm just going on Pexels, then I'm saving an image and putting my own text over it in Instagram stories and saving it. This is just the fastest way I've found. Next you want to open your video editing software. In this case I'm using InShot because it's a great mobile video editor. And you want to select your video and go to the approximate frame that you saw in the auto-generated thumbnail. This will typically be between the 6 to 8 second mark, but more often than not, it's on the 7 second mark. When you've matched up the exact shots, you want to split the clip. You can then insert the thumbnail photo from your photo albums. You can then shorten the duration of the clip to be about 0.5 to 0.1 seconds. You may need to set it to slightly longer when you're starting out, but as you practice more, you should be able to reduce the time. From there, you can export your video and upload it onto YouTube with the appropriate title and hashtags. And now when you view it in the Shorts window, you should be able to see the thumbnail that you inserted. Hope this helps.